I experience panic attacks.
Hmm.
Um, I've had episodes where they've lasted for weeks and months on end. Now it seems pretty much to happen just in my sleep.
You have panic attacks in your sleep.
I do.
What
Whatever
does that
reason.
look like?
Um, I'll just sometimes it's dream associated, but most times I don't notice that I'm particularly dreaming. I'll just wake up because my heart's pounding and I'm hot and sweaty and just feeling panicky.
Okay.
Um, yeah, so that's it's been about gosh 12 years that I've been experiencing the panic attacks, and like I say, most probably the last year and a half or so, or maybe even 2 years, it's just in my sleep for the most part.
Okay. So I'll be transparent here. The psychologist in me is really excited about this and would love to ask so many questions. Um, but I'm not a psychologist anymore. I do this. And
Yeah.
my gift is reading energy. So that's what I'm going to do. So is there anything else that you'd like to say?
I just like to say it's a pleasure to meet you because I've been following you a long time and I'm
Oh,
always
thank you.
been curious about what you do. So this is great.
Okay. So how is this issue for you at the moment, the panic attacks in your sleep? From, 0 out to 10.
Well, I'd probably give it probably a 7. It's
So 7
annoying.
means it's pretty good and you're
Oh,
kind
okay, I'm going the wrong
of,
way.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll
So
give it a 4.
yeah, 4 or 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you feel right now?
I feel like I want to giggle.
Great. Great. That's your energy. Laugh out loud. Go ahead.
That's strange. That was interesting.
Woo!
Yeah, right. Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah. How do you feel now?
Good.
On the
Good.
scale, 10 being fantastic.
Yeah, well, let's give it an 8. Let's go for it.
Job well done, I would say.
Yeah,
Thank you so
cool.
much for
Thank
volunteering.
you. That was
Pleasure.
fascinating. Thank you. And
Is there
it's
anything
it's
else you'd
interesting.
like?
Can I just yeah,
Yeah,
I often have memories that I know aren't mine of places and
absolutely. So please don't speak about the past. Let it be gone. It's gone now.
okay,
That's what we deleted.
gone.
Those pictures in your head that
Yep.
we deleted. Memory is not yours. Let them go.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Gone.
Okay, let me just double check. Yep. Yep. Great.
Cool. Great. Thank you very much.